Jaja pray for the better days. All I need is more money, more money.
Greetings, viewers at home. Welcome to From the Dust. My name is the Poetic Saint. I'm your host, and today in the studio we have an hip hop artist. His name is Sama Ele. Welcome to the show, Buwaka. Welcome, Buwaka. So as we welcome you, Brayaga, or who from the Dust in it, re tlo kopa o re jwetse a short summary ka wena hore Sama Ele ke mang, o startile music a le mondifi, ke eng ntho e le reng e influencer music wa hao ne, and le di challenges tse le reng o kopana le tsona along the journey.
Okay, Godman. Nna ka lebitso ke Sama Ele. Ke qadile ho bina ka go like my real name ke Dlamini Themba. Ke qadile ho bina ka 2010. Ke bina gospel.
Hele.
Ho thonne ke le gospel singer, then ka 2014 ka kopana le batho be le go nna ba bina hip hop, then ka ba interested to bina hip hop. Then dilemo ha ntse di ya be ke kopana le pina tse tshwanang tsa Boss Java, then ke ba interested more. Kabekala he sigbina kind of this music e lorong ke ibina he no jena.
Oh, hele from gospel to hip hop. Hele. O mo be mos. So, buwakane re jwetse he kapa jwetsa the viewers at home ne hore ke di fi challenges tse loreng le o kopana le tsona wa bo le tse lorong la nna wa kopana le tsona ha ntso tla ntso builder the name Sama Ele.
Okay, ho lo bontho tse sukudisang ha o bina Godman. Nka re like o ka bina sharp pina tsa tsa ratwa ke batho mara if ever lo re ha ona like marketing wa se sharp, it means o ke hona mo ile go ka teng ba ka o rata ka fela if but mara ha ile re marketing wa sharp ha ona me ile go dintho tluisa teng, so ke hona ntho ile go nga ho leng safarisitse. That's why lo go ka junte ke stakile same place.
It was stakile same place, but no jena okay ne. Ke eng ntho e lo reng o ya etsa hore music wa hao o be out there go tsebe, because like there's something e lo go tlama ba neng wa etsa ne hore batho ba tsebe gona le motho a bitswang Sama Ele.
Okay, o tshonotse Godman like ka mkhodi ntho le go tsama ka teng. Ke bone nka re system e ke sebedisanye ya o beha bopina tsa ka interneteng batho ba downloada, so far ke one le go nya sebeletsa moraonyana, so ke one etsa go batho ba khone ho mbuka ke bine bo eventeng tsa bona, cause ke bona ile one le go maybe ka nkisa somewhere yeno Godman.
Monna, you on a right track go go mon o tshwere track e right, so kutlwe o bua ka Java being an influencer ya music wa hao. So o influencer jwang like kore ka tsela tse jwang, like re motho ka rata the way a binang, o ka rata the way a performang ka teng, you get my point, ka ka rata the way lo reng o recorda ka teng studio wa bona. So when I ke eng twentseng hore o ithole o rata motho ni bile o itjwetsa gore no ke tlo bina this kind of music.
Ho lo ntho le go ke ratile ka Java Godman like ke rata message, that's why ke ipitsang Sama Ele, meaning pineng le ngwe ke etsang tshwantse bena le ma ele something e le go e isa teng. So ntho tse le go ke di ratile ha lo ka Java ke message tse le go ona fana ka tsona. Music ene ke batla o etsa ha so ja ifisa bana ba banyane, music e ke batla o etsa ku builda malapa, ku etsa something e le go le motho ha o mametso tla utlwa go motho ona le ma ele a ileng a sia ka ga pina eo a yentseng.
And that's the main aim ya music. Ho re tlo haya nang. My viewers at home ne le motluile ke Sama Ele o re jwetsitse ka yena, and then he told us go like short profile ka yena ne, and ntse rena le yena studio today. My brother, go how do you feel ka ho ba in the studio today? Go like short sentences fela go re jwetse go ikutlwa jwang ho ba from the dust.
Ke ikutlwa ke thabile Godman, but every time ntho ngwe le ngwe ke etsa against music like bana le ntho eno pelong gore ntho na gale ke etsa Godman, mme ke le nteng ka jeno ke le bua mdimo fela ntsang file mamello eno go ke bemo
mamello. My viewers at home o buile ka patience. You need to be patient gore ha o latela talent ya hao kapa whatever you do ne. So Viet Jelevat ne Now re tlo nka a quick ad break. So ha re khutla re tlo bapala again.
Oh Jaja, pray for a better days. All I need is more money.
Welcome back, viewers at home. We're still in the studio today. Ntse re tshwere abuti Samaele, with the real name is Themba Dlamini. So we're gonna play a little game in out no chenana, guys. My brother, re tlo bapala a game ne. Is the Q's and A's. Ke mo e lo reng ke tlo botsa dipotso and then o bonkaraba and then the correct answers e tlo hla mona on the screen from the desk.
Okay, Godman, I understand.
So o go te bogwana.
Okay, I get sharp.
O sharp.
Sure.
The viewers at home o re now handle and then he's gonna tackle down the question syllable. So the first question, ke efe artist ya hip hop ya South Africa e leng ambassador ya Cruise?
AKA.
Yeah?
AKA
Sure,
Godman.
AKA.
AKA ke sure Godman.
How is from the screen or whether you are right or no? How about now, Mr. Fela in Versace? Yes, guys, again, AKA. So the next question in the who is the male artist? Ke mang artist ya hip hop alien ya fill up at the dome? You know, there was that trend on the social network saying fill up the dome. So, ke efe artist you?
The one and only Casper Nyovest.
Oh, sure.
Sure.
Ke Mr.
Godman.
Casper.
Ke Casper
Guys,
Nyovest.
lona le reng haimo to join the conversation, the challenges at bane re kopa le follow up our social networks, Twitter, Instagram, on YouTube, le subscribe on Facebook. It's Sim Channel ZA. So, how to check the correct answer, bro? How about now? Mr. Casper Nyovest himself is right, guys. So, let's move to the next question.
Okay, Godman.
Ya when an artist ya South Africa is a male artist, wa hore a record way back ne. So no je o entse remake ya pina ya hae and then aba feature the likes of Rebecca Malope, Pastor Benjamin Dube, Mlindo the vocalist. So ke man that artist.
Joop.
Ariki Joop
Ah,
la
ke
maswita
Joop.
mnandi. Let's check from the screen, guys. Our Joop la maswita mnandi is correct bafethu. So Luena, don't forget to no rejoin mono, or no comment, or no share, whatever that you need to do. So let's move on to another question.
Okay,
Ya
Godman.
hore ke efe artist ke legend Diamond on thola bogwa. Diamond ke a legend ya music. He's a ghetto hero wabo. Eloreng o featured ba mo featureile ne pineng ya Bonyenkosi. Ke mamuti o.
Zola. Casper Nyovest and Zola.
No re batla motho a featureweng. Pina ke aka ke o feature ne. So okay fine. So re batla motho a featureileng hore ke mamotho a featureweng mo.
Zola.
Ke Zola, ke Zola guys. If you are Solona le reng ha bona hore ke Zola. So na ke tsebe, I don't know the answers guys. So ha re share from the screen. How bana mzolisto ya ke Zola is right bafethu. So re tlo move to the last question. So that last question is who is the first South African hip hop artist or a feature Rick Ross, the boss himself? Oh,
Casper Questa.
Ke artist if feature Rick Ross, the boss himself.
Okay, yeah, ke Questa featuring Rick Ross.
Sure, ke Questa.
Sure.
Guys, lona ha mo le re ke if artist e lo reng if featuring the boss himself. You know him was Mr. Wow. Ha re check from the screen hore banda ke Mr. Questa. So guys, that was the last question ya rona ne. So ke Questa e lo reng la feature the boss himself, Rick Ross. So Bwagane agore qoqelene about the Q's and A's. How do you feel ka the questions like ke ntwe le gore o ithutile yona di questions tseo?
Ha ho lo ntwe ke ratang Godman ke pheta hape nthongwe le ngwe ya music ke dula ke e latela ka morao Godman. So that's why the questions tsa o ke ile ka di enjoy music Godman.
Music. So it's all about music. When I like ntwe e ratang
music Godman.
ke music. ke sure o tlo re binela ke rantse re ya go gona tsamao se re binele se ka ntsheya bro wa ka
ke ntho e ke e phelang godman o
Oh.
bina se bothata godman
o phela music and then ha ona problem ya gore o tlo re binela
problem a kuna yona problem godman
so my viewers at home le motlwile ke Samael ntse re na le ene in the studio ne so wena relax take a chill pill udule fela and watch the show don't forget guys to subscribe on YouTube or sim channels and then on Facebook hit the like button and then invite friends on Facebook le teng still ke sim channels so kamogana go seng kae guys we gonna take another short ad break so re tlo gutla so wena what you need to do right now gore o lo fill up your cup ya metsi kapa your cup ya the cold drink if ever o tseba go lapile get a snack o tlo dula fatshe guys because again siyabuya manje on Saltreg.com
Oh Lord, I pray for a better days. All I need is more money, more money.
welcome back bafethu sibuyile nze re tshwere Samael in the studio vandag so welcome back hape bro wa ka
welcome back ntate
so no tjena gotmana tsa what's going to happen ne re tlo bapala another game ne it's called the general questions ke tlo botsa dipotso hape and then o bonkaraba the answers tsa teng di tlo hlaya mona from the screen as re bona the general questions so
okay godman okay ke understand
Godman.
ke ready
Sure.
ke ready godman
the first question what is the household name for sodium chloride
letswai godman so
Letswai.
nana go ke letswai godman
wa o nahana gore ke
ke ne ke sure mono ke letswai
sure,
godman ke letswai
ha
godman
re check from the screen ya go etsala jwang from the screen my brother o bone ho hlaileng
o hlaile letswai mono
o
godman
hlaile salt so asbonge ke letswai bua ka salt we rata ka Sotho
ya godman monna mosotho
ka Sotho hobane wena o mosotho o Samael so the next question bua ka ne how many eggs are there in an egg plant
0 godman
Zero.
0 ke nana ke tsamaya le yona jwale godman 0
mara how is it possible hore ka go eggplant re ska ba le egg ai kona
karabo wa ka ke eno nhlaelang wa tsa
ke yone o
godman
hlaelang
Ke yone e hlaelang.
ha re check from the screen here ai okay so guys he is correct bafethu le ske la tshwenyeha ke 0 and then go ha ona lutho ka go ha ona eggs ka hara an egg plant la bona so the next question Godman how many cents are in 550
550 godman
550
550 bra
ka go 550 cent viewers at home lona le reng ka taba yo don't forget to follow on YouTube Instagram Twitter and Facebook let's check the correct answer bro 550 guys is correct ne ke tla re give me some love no doubt la bona guys so re tlo fetela to another question ne
okay godman
how much is a dozen
12 godman
12
12 bra
o sure
12 godman
guys dozen ke 12 let's check he's correct guys ke 12 and then the next question in him how many zeros are in 100,000 we speaking big figures manje the numbers the zeros di ka ga go 100,000
100,000 ai ina ke sure hantle godman
how sure
a ke sure hantle ke 6 godman
ha re check from the screen it's 5 bro wa ka ne so eish ting ting imshayile guys imshayile so bro wa ka ne who is a house artist e lo reng sebetsa overseas
black coffee
Ah,
godman
ke
mono ke
coffee
black
entsho.
mono ke black coffee godman nka betcha ka tsamaya
screen ke black coffee wa fethu he's right ke ene le horeng o ntsa sebetsa overseas wa bo. So Hotman, the next question, how many colors does the SA flag have?
6
6.
nana 6
Ah,
godman
wala.
e jwalo
Guys,
godman
lona le re, let's check from the screen already, guy. It's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. He's correct, guys. It's 6 colors from the South African flag. The next question in it. Is very tricky. It's very tricky. If this is vertical in it, so this line is vertical in it, then what is horizontal? Horizontal give. If you look here, a vertical, horizontal you wanna give.
2 arrows pointing north and south
O batla hore ke so. So I get mamela re ha ba ne le so wena hore e tjena horizontal ha re shebe from the screen o give. Shabwa ka mona go tshepe jwang mfethu wabo. So guys, that was the last question in it elore ne re botsa our guest Samaeli, and then afterwards re tlo ba le a quick ad break ne. So after ad break wena relaxa udule ra khutla. So ha re khutla guys re tlo ba le the last game, which is match the artist, and then after the match the artist game ke mo eloreng artist re tlo e fa okay re tlo mo fa a chance ya hore a tlo re performela one of his best tracks. So guys, you know what in it on Saltrech.com no.
Oh Lord, I pray for a better days. All I need is more money, more money.
Welcome back, Wafetu. Welcome back to the last part of the show. So without wasting any time, the match the artist. So what's going to happen? A picture screening, title, the name of artist, but they're different artists. So we're not going to have a picture le bitso la pina ne. Otlo bina eo ka voice ya artist eo e tla be hlahisitswe picture ya hae mo ka 5 seconds wabo. So already work.
okay I agree godman
Sure already.
Sure,
Okay, let's get
Godman.
to the first artist ke Mlindo. Otlo bina Nguto ka voice ya Mlindo.
ai ya ntabula pine godman a ke lebetse tsa ena godman
If you are at home, let's go to another one. It's Mqimbini ka voice ya Sis Ribs, Mary Becca Malope.
ai lena godman a ke tsebe ya Miss Rebecca
Mqimbini alapho zongithola kho abwa ka monna.
nakulatela ipopo lo godman
Okay, hip hop ngaho Yehobe mos. Let's go to the next one. Otloga binela Feline Versace by aka ka voice ya Mandoza, a legend himself.
for love in the Sergio for love in the Sergio you for love in the Sergio
Give us net ample go fihla voice nyara mane. Hurry to the next one. Wabo. Mama, I made it by Kespanyo Vesti ka voice ya Lebu Sekgobela. We don't get the gospel what la hip hop. This is it, baba. Hurry.
Mama I made it yeah Mama I made it yeah
Thank you siyabonga buwaka guys le mutlwile ne ubinne, and then re tla ho gulungile baba by Sifiso Ncwane ka voice ya Mr. Questa himself.
yo kulungile ai gospel godman
Gospel
gospel
ba fethu at home le lona le bone he tried go go try, and then Hona no, what's going to happen? Kore, re tlo mo fa a chance. Ne a tlo performa one of his best song. O tlo performela track if you got man.
Better Days
I want to
Godman.
perform Better Days. But to stage is yours, my brother. All to you, or performele the best track.
Jesu ngelo musa wami Satan uvusa manqeba Hlala ngikhala njalo nje namanje ngilahle ithemba ngoba ngafa noma yini I pray for the better days. All I need is more money, more money, more money. Oh, Jaja, pray for the better days. All I need is more money, more money, more money. Oh, Jaja, pray for the better days. All I need is more money, more money, more money. Ngicela ngibeke emthandazweni impilo asekhulula ngikhuphe baba nami sengekho emhlabeni zitha zami sijabulile thandwa zami sijabukile hliziyo eshala phansi njengomfazi ongazani ndaba izitha sekunzima sule inyembe zami ngene ebhedlela ubavusa ulapha impilo zabo wami umama naye ufuna ungibona ngikhwela ivula ufuna ungibona ngiphethe umfazi omhlaba ngakho umuntu Jesu ngelo musa wami Satan uvusa manqeba Hlala ngikhala njalo nje namanje ngilahle ithemba ngoba ngafa noma yini Jaja, pray for the better days. All I need is more money, more money, more money. Oh, Jaja, pray for the better days. All I need is more money, more money, more money. Oh, Jaja, pray for the better days. All I need is more money, more money, more money. Asejwale Rastafari shejelwa fast. Ki pusha blinde lempeche saka ikisa bapale. Keta me fito batazina kisa freestyle. Molo tuka pepeleta hauna motuka. Baga baifisa tabina tijwale baipipita. Kita kama sene volcano bapitita lo bafita. Paka kita Samsung talento shumfazolo kama jugo. Hola di poco tata machola wampona kipala mapunzi.
Asbonge number one. Viewers at home in today. We'll see you next week. Same place, same time. Asbonge danko Asbonge.
Oh, Jaja, pray for the better days. All I need is more money, more money, more money. Oh, Jaja, pray for the better days. All I need is more money, more money, more money. Oh, Jaja, pray for the better days. All I need is more money, more money, more money. Ngicela ngibeke emthandazweni impilo asekhulula ngikhuphe baba nami sengekho emhlabeni zitha zami sijabulile thandwa zami sijabukile hliziyo eshala phansi njengomfazi ongazani ndaba izitha sekunzima sule inyembe zami ngene ebhedlela ubavusa ulapha impilo zabo wami umama naye ufuna ungibona ngikhwela ivula ufuna ungibona ngiphethe umfazi omhlaba